It's great seeing my friend again, and Nathan McCartney, owner of Arctic Food Equipment. It's been a few years.
Yes, yeah, it's been good.
Yeah,
good to see you again.
Life is good. Business is good.
Yep, we're getting busy. It's starting to get hot. Everybody's starting to get out and moving on the lakes and going out to eat again, and so things are good.
Things are good.
Yeah.
All right, 1994 is when you started this business, so that speaks volumes to how well this family business is taking off.
Yeah, Dad started in '94 as a service company, which is one of the things we talk about today. But we're also a full service sales company, focusing on commercial space, so restaurants, churches, hospitals.
Yeah.
Convenience stores, you name it.
Pretty much anything. So you specialize in restaurants, like we said, food operations. You're available to the public. That's something I don't know if everybody knows. And your store is amazing.
Yeah, well, we've got about 15,000, 18,000 square feet of showroom that is open to the public. You can come in, test out the equipment, take a look at it, cook on it. If you're looking for small wares, or if you're looking for a great knife set or bartending set or something like that, we've got all those options. Father's Day's coming up, so if you want to, really nice rocks glasses for maybe a bourbon drinker, anything like that, we've got everything from shot glasses all the way to walk-ins.
It's even great ideas for Father's Day. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. All right, well, tell us what you are talking about when you talk about offering third-party partnerships.
Yeah. So of course, like you mentioned, we do all the sales. We are open to the public, but we're also, like I said, we started as a service company. Dad started just him in a truck. He was going down Sunshine and making right-hand turns and just, hey, I'll fix your ice machine. So we're a full-service company as well. That's kind of our bread and butter. But as the world has kind of changed, you don't necessarily want to pick up the phone and call our dispatcher and then talk to someone. And us millennials, I like to text. But if you want to get online, or if you have a third party that manages your maintenance or runs your facility for you, we're on all of those major platforms. So you can just log on to your service channel and find Arctic, put in a ticket, we'll respond, go all the way through, do the GPS check-in, take the pictures of the problem. So, hey, look, here's your dirty compressor, send you a quote through the system, just completely hands-off and makes it flow really well, ties right into your books, and just really helps you manage your business better, because ultimately, that's what we want you to do. We want to make your business successful, because that's how we succeed.
I would say these guys are the ones to call, because their business is hugely successful. You have 20 technicians, so you're going to get it done fast, and you're dependable.
Right, we're the largest one in the area. We do warranty rep work as well, so we can fix your warranty calls. We can come out and fix it if it's out of warranty. We've got a preventative maintenance department. We've got install guys. I mean, so if you need it in a commercial kitchen, we can handle it. You don't have to wait. You're not going to be waiting 20 days, 5 days. We're going to be quick to respond, and we've got factory trained technicians to get you up and running as quick as possible.
Right, so if you need something fixed, call Arctic Food Equipment. If you want to buy something, like they say, so many things there to get, even for gift ideas. But listen to this, you can go online and you can see what they've got there. You can order, and it can come right to your house.
Yeah, so we actually have a full service e-commerce website now. So you can come take a look at our equipment. You can look at the pictures, do the spec sheets. Again, the millennials, I don't want to talk to someone. I want to shop before. And so you can check all of that out and then order it, and you get all the same quality that you get from a local company, because it's still going to be us. You can still pick up the phone and talk to us. We're going to make it right. But you can actually order it online, even if you're closing your bar at 2 a.m. and you need to order glasses. Jump online, log into your account, and they'll show up.
All right, so where do people go to the website to get all this great information?
That was super easy. It's www.arcticfoodinc.com.
Okay, it's that easy. You can call them if you're not a millennial and you want to call them. You'll take a call.
We'll take phone calls. We have a great dispatcher too. So.
All right, Nathan, it's great to see you. I'm glad you're doing so good. Give them a call today for service or for product or for gift ideas. I mean, they've got a lot of them. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Thanks, Kelly.